Let's learn how to create a glitch effect in Premiere Pro. First, go to the Effects panel and drag the VR Digital Glitch effect onto your video clip. Then, go to the Effect Controls panel and double-click on Distortion. Set the color distortion value to 100 and the distortion rate value to 0 to create the initial glitch effect. Next, in the noise settings, increase the noise strength to around 50-60. Slide above to the Master Amplitude section and click the stopwatch icon to enable keyframing, then set the value to 0. Move 3 frames ahead on the timeline and change the value to 100. Move another 3 frames ahead and set the value back to 0. Zoom in on the timeline to adjust the keyframes accurately. Now, to add some video movement, change the scale value to 115 to ensure the video fits the screen when it moves. Position the timeline where the glitching occurs. Click the stopwatch icon near the position value to enable keyframing, then adjust the horizontal value to shift the video to one side. Move 3 frames ahead and change the position to the opposite side. Repeat this once more to complete the effect. That's it. This is how you create a glitch effect in Premiere Pro.